Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm just going to create a one scanner regarding consolidation breakout on a price levels. Lot of consolidations we can easily find out. But some questions about a consolidation where we can create in a multiple time frame in charting and how to find out such a kind of consolidation in the price and maybe a consolidation in a particular price level or a price percentage that can be able to create in a charting. How to find out such a kind of stocks, so that we are going to discuss in this video. And also I'm just trying to create the scanner here in this video. And so let me go to the video, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have any other questions or doubts or regarding the scanners and screeners, you can just comment on the comment box. And this is a scanner which I'm going to create with the normal attributes with the available in charting. I'm not going to use any custom indicator, because custom indicator why I'm using to create a scanner, the first logic is the non-repaint. Repaint means after the movement the stock is there in the list. Sometimes after the trigger the stock stop loss, the stock would be removed from the list. Why? Because of it is depends on the condition which you created. But here I'm just going to use the simple logic to find out such a kind of price breakout or consolidation. Someone who can RSI consolidation, something like that also we can plan. But I'm just using a price consolidation. What is the drawback and positive about the scanner, which we can discuss in this video. So let start that thing. So here the price of this Maruti, which is near about almost 4%, and the less than 4%, it was trading almost last 24 days, or we can fix how many days we want. So last 24 days the stock which is trading less than 4%, and then we have a funding out a breakout. Okay, so this is what a consolidation area where it is happening on the stock. Okay, and this is the candle where it is given to the consolidation breakout, and after that it is giving you such a good movement. So I'm not fine. This is what try to find out this kind of movement. This is the video where we can find out this kind of pattern which forming and any stocks. So that is the logic which we are going to create with the charting scanner, and this video you are going to learn that also. Okay. And some other stocks which we are looking for, Bank Nifty also something like that, less than 3% consolidation. So if you are looking at around 16.9, so this is what 12th September, I think 18th September, 16th September up to this. And prior to this, almost the last 30 days it was range in between the range of just 5%. That may be a consolidation price. So looking at this level, or we can calculate from this low to high, it's around 3.8%, and this particular day it is breaking the level, and after that such a good movement. So whether daily time frame or whatever the time frame you want, we can create such a scanner, and it will be helping you to find out that particular breakout. So let me try to create in our charting scanner. So let me create a scan, but here what is the drawback of the scanner? Particular days only we can calculate, so we can't create in a range. So create in a range means it is if it is the stock which is consolidating less than a percentage in 10 to 20 days, we can't create. So we can create only 10 days or 20 days or 15 days. That is the main thing where we are going to look here. So I'll just show you how we can filter out this. Then I'm not using any other custom indicator. You can just follow the steps and you can create this kind of consolidation. But I used some of the indicator consolidation, and that will help you to find out altering or finding different ranges. Okay, so one point, so how much percentage I want to, so for example I'll be just looking for a 0.5 percentage. That should be a consolidation. This is what a 5% consolidation. Okay, so how many days you want, that very important. So it could not be finding out in range basis, like 5 days, 5 to 10 days, 20 to 30 days, 1 month to 2 months. Exactly, you have to give the time frame. So like for example I'll be just going for a 10 days time frame. Let me go for a maximum duration. Here it is default 10 days. uh, so 10 days and high. Okay, 10 days daily high. So here I'm just using the consolidation. I want to find out year minimum. These are all the function which is defaultly available in charting. So you can follow the steps and you will be easily finding out. Okay. So low. Okay. So this is what are conditions if you funding out a stocks. So that should be a 1 day ago instead of daily. So you can use a 1 day ago. This simply finding out comparing to the previous day. If any stock which is in 5%, we don't want to go for let me go for an equity stocks. And how many stocks? I think many stocks. Let me check Ashok Leyland. Shoot. Yeah. You compare to the previous day, last 10 days, it was trading in the 5% range. Okay, in between the 5%. For an example, so 248. Right. So in this low and the high, it is exactly 4.18%. So the price is trading in last 10 days in the range of 4%. So if you adjust the percentage, you will be getting. So if I want to only 3%, okay, just for adjustment, we use this filter, and 3% we don't have any stocks. So if I go for only 4%, less than 4%, last 10 days the stock like SBIN, it was trading in 4% for the last 10 days, less than 4%. You can see this is what a consolidation where it is moving on less than 4%. So easily we can find out in last 10 days range less than 4%. So if this particular stock giving you the breakout opportunity that we are going to look for. So here you can see exact consolidation, and what I'm just looking for, if the stock which closes above to the consolidation level. So that would be a good opportunity where you can see previously the consolidation here also, last few days consolidation and the downside breakdown. Okay, so like this, we can finding out by this scanner, but it is not about a particular range. So if I want to go for a 20 days consolidation, you need to change, but it will be showing you 20 days consolidation, and in last 20 days less than 4%, we don't have any stocks. Let me save this scan, and we have created recently 2 or 3 scanners that is not yet updated on our premium group. That would be updated tomorrow. So those who are my premium group member, you can access all my premium scanners with copy and edit, right? So here some of the stocks, few stocks here around 19th, Maruti, already we discussed 19.9. So Maruti, prior to the 20 days it was trading in the range. So 19.9, this is what a 19, the date where exactly we find out prior to the 20 days that was trading in the range of just less than 4%. 3.69 percentage. This is what a consolidation for the last 20 days. It is showing you the consolidation in the 4% range, and where that close is happening above to the consolidation high, and that would be a great opportunity where how we can effectively finding out that. Okay, so one more condition which we can use is that closing price of that particular day, that is the latest closing, is must be greater than. So we are looking for a higher side. So let me go for a maximum 30 candle size. So that would be helping you to finding out. So what are the number which you are mentioning here? That should be the same number you have to mention there. It is also 20 days and 20 days. If you are mentioning, we will be getting those stocks. So without this condition, we will be getting only the consolidation stocks. By adding this condition, it will helping you to finding out those are all the stocks which breaks the level. So in Nifty also be there in the list 29. In this case, Maruti 29, that is a breakout happened. So this is what a 29. So where exactly 20th September, this consolidation on the price is broken. Okay, that is what the scanner will tell you. So this is a consolidation where on exactly 20th of the day that broken, whether after the breaking the consolidation it goes high or low, so we are not deciding, but this is what the scanner which helping you to find out the consolidation. And then Nifty also be there in the list less than 3%. Let me check. This is what a 20th September that given you the breakout, and last 10 days it was in less than 3% consolidation, 4% consolidation. So 3.47 percentage, that is what a less, but normally index which is not giving you such a big move, it will be came here. So you can filter out the stocks also, and prior to that we have some list of stocks. HDFC Bank and Nestle, Bank Nifty also be there here. HDFC Bank, let me go for HDFC Bank, whether it is giving you 4% consolidation breakout on that is happening on 18th September. So this is what a candle, and before that you can look at this by using this particular scanner. We can easily pick out the consolidation from the low up to this high. So this is 3.2%, and after that the breakout candle also we are funding. And sometimes if you are looking at the stock for a downside breakout, so the daily close is less than this is what a condition, and here we should use minimum and low. This is what idea where we can pick the stock which breaks on the lower side. So consolidation after 4 percentage, and this is what TCS on 18.9. So let me go for a TCS 18.9. So here is the 18.9. This is what a consolidation breakdown. So if you are looking at the top level after the big movement and maybe high and low, it's less than 3.5%. But you can just make this by intraday also, or even positional, even much more time also, let 5% over the period of time. So for an example, if I'm just looking for 60 days, that is 2 months consolidation. If any stock, if I'm can able to find out, then 4% is the less number, chances are less, but I will be just looking for a 10%. Okay, so 10% consolidation. So we have some stock, and that was May 30th, ICICI General Insurance. Let me check ICICI GI. So May 13 maybe here. Here is the one. 19th, exactly what is the date? 2024, 30th, 5, 30, 30. Here, I think if you're comparing the 10% consolidation, and after the breakout, maybe it is higher side also given in breakout and lower side. It may, but for a selling purpose, we can't able to hold it for a short for a longer the period. And if you're comparing 60 days consolidation, I think less than 10%. Okay, so more than 60 days from February to May, almost February, March, April, May, 4 months consolidation, and there is a high is broken after the consolidation, and there is a good movement which we can see in this chart. So whatever the details which you exactly looking for, here you need to mention that exact date and the time. So if I want to go for 15 minutes or 5 minutes, so let me go for here 15 minutes. I'm just going to change the time frame, and this scanner also will be updated on my group -1 15 minutes. For example, 20 candles. Okay, I'll just making 15 minutes for a consolidation less than 2% or 3%. Okay, so well, I'm just going for a breakout stocks upside. 15 minutes close greater than the 15 minutes, -1 15 minutes, 30 candles high. So here you need to change the date and that values it should be right. So or else it will not generating you the exact data. Okay. So let me go for sorry, it is about 1%. So not 1%, 0.2%, 0.1%, or 0.2%. That may be 2%. We're trading so many stocks. So let me go for 0.1%. So last 20 candles, the stock which is trading 0.1%. So Tata Communications. Let me go for a Tata Com. Like this, you can make a consolidation. It's a 15 minutes time frame. So last how many candles, which is we have mentioned 20 candles. So last 20 candles, it was trading in between the let me check 20 candles up to this level. So it is trading in say in between the 1%. So maybe we can expect such a kind of breakout which happened on those. So you can check this any back test report maybe on say for example here. So a lot of stocks came. So we need to modify. 11 o'clock Sipla. Let me check. Even we can tight consolidation. 11 o'clock Sipla. 11, 11, 14. This is what. Sorry, today's no 1st of October. 45. I think it's a down candle. So what's close greater than? Yeah, he should be changing the values. Okay, that's the reason. So I think Voltas and few stocks because that is a condition error. So Britannia at 12 p.m. today. Let me check this. This is a consolidation, so where less than, and then after 12 p.m. exactly the breakout. So 12 p.m. that closed about to the consolidation area, and then it moves well. Okay, so like this, you can use the consolidation breakout with the starting scanner, and maybe we can add more, even a more powerful condition with that to even making this scanner as a premium one. And this is what a condition which you can easily follow the steps to create the scanner. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. If you have any other doubts and questions, just ping me on WhatsApp number. And if you want to join our premium Telegram channel where you will be getting access my premium scanners. Okay, so you can copy and edit, right? That is also available. Just ping me on my WhatsApp and you will be getting the scanners. You can access lifetime all my premium scanners. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you for subscribing.